Should really wear a shirt doing this. I don't even know how to get out of here. I really gotta sneeze. Oh, there goes my Zyn, dude. I just sneezed my Zyn out. Fuck. Things are expensive. It's like a whole chicken sanctuary. I could live back here. We should have just paid rent to live back here. What the fuck is that? Is that a person? Hola? There's a honeymoon suite right here. Yo, this is crazy. Dude, I'm really glad I'm not on LSD right now. I'd be losing my mind with all this chicken shirt.